If you're here in North America, or especially in Canada, I think it's important to look into what took place, part of that history of wiping the buffalo, because that does affect the survival of the indigenous people. For me personally, as an immigrant, I think it's well worth invest in our own country, you know. And what a way of saying to the indigenous people too, in the light of truth and reconciliation, to say, you know, sorry, you know, and also, you know, we're here to help, you know. It's a good feeling knowing that even some of the schools are coming to see, and also kids are learning, you know, to butcher an animal. And also, like a couple months ago, I think the food bank in the city came out and butchered two. And this project is not just a project. We're not just a gift to the indigenous people. We're pretty much hands-on. You know, we just getting in there to make sure that they don't fail.